Welcome to Wordscience. Today we will learn about a simple but important word, hi. Hello everyone. We are going to explore the word hi together. It is a word we use every single day. So, what does hi mean? Hi is a short greeting word. It means hello. We say it when we meet someone. Why do we say hi? Because it is friendly. It helps us start conversations and connect with others. Now let's look at the history of hi. Where did this word come from? The word hi started in the 1800s. It came from Old English words like hey and hi. Over time, hi became popular in America. Then it spread to many countries around the world. Today, people everywhere use hi as a friendly greeting. It crosses borders and cultures. Let's talk about using hi every day. We say hi in many different situations. When you see your friends, you say hi. You can smile or wave too. It makes friendships stronger. At school or work, saying hi is polite. It shows respect and helps you make good connections. When you meet new people, hi is perfect. It is simple and makes others feel welcome. Hi has cultural meaning too. It shows friendliness and openness in almost every culture. Saying hi tells people you are kind and approachable. It can brighten someone's day. There are different ways to say hi. You can say hello, hey, or just hi. A simple hi can start a great friendship. Never underestimate the power of a greeting. Let's explore greetings around the world. Different languages have their own ways to say hi. In Spanish, people say hola. In French, they say salud. In Japanese, it is konnichiwa. People also use gestures. Some wave their hands. Others bow or give a fist bump. Different cultures have different greeting styles. But they all share the same friendly meaning. Here are some fun facts about hi. Did you know people say hi millions of times every day? Hi is one of the shortest greetings in English. It is easy to say and easy to remember. The word hi appears in movies, songs, and books. It is part of popular culture everywhere. But remember, in very formal situations, use hello or good morning instead of hi. Now let's see how we use hi in different situations throughout our day. When you answer the phone, you can start with hi. It sounds warm and friendly. In text messages, we often type hi to start a conversation. It is quick and casual. When making new friends, a smile and a hi can break the ice easily. Let's summarize. Hi means hello. It is friendly, easy to say, and used worldwide. It helps us connect. Thank you for watching. Remember to say hi and spread kindness. Subscribe to Wordscience for more. Keep learning with us. See you in the next video. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.